Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing REST APIs and Fast APIs. These are two technologies used for building web services, and we will explore their similarities and differences. Let's start with REST API. REST stands for Representational State Transfer, and it is a software architectural style that defines a set of constraints for creating web services. The purpose of REST is to provide a scalable and flexible approach to building web services that can handle large amount of data and traffic. RESTful APIs are stateless, meaning that the server does not store any client context. Instead, each request from client to the server must contain all the necessary information to complete the request. RESTful APIs use HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE to perform operations on resources, which can be any data or functionality that can be accessed through the API. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is an application protocol used for data communication. It is the base of data communication in the World Wide Web, and the put, get, post, and delete are the major HTTP methods typically used in REST architectures. Post adds to an existing resource, put overrides to an existing resource, get fetches a result, and delete deletes a resource. Here in the diagram, we can see that a client requests through the REST API via HTTP method like get, post, put, or delete. The API interacts with the database and provides necessary response as JSON or XML back to the client. The benefits of REST APIs are scalability, flexibility, easy to understand, and caching. They can handle large amount of data and traffic, making them highly scalable. They can be used with any programming language and any operating system, making them highly flexible. And they are based on simple HTTP requests, making them easy to understand and use. They can be easily cached by intermediaries like proxies, making them faster and more efficient. Now let's move on to FastAPI. FastAPI is a modern high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python 3.7 based on standard Python type hints. It is designed to be easy to use and learn, making it a popular choice for developers who want to build APIs quickly and efficiently. FastAPI is built on top of the high-performance Starlight framework, which provides asynchronous support and out-of-the-box performance. It generates interactive API documentation automatically, making it easy for developers to understand and test their APIs. It is designed to be easy to use and intuitive with automatic validation of requests and response data. FastAPI uses modern Python features like type hints and async wait to provide a more standard and modern approach to building APIs. Type hints allow for a better code completion and static type checking, making it easier to write and maintain code. Async wait supports allows asynchronous execution of code, which improves the performance and scalability. Now let's compare REST API and Fast API. In terms of comparison, REST APIs are widely used and well-established standard architecture for building web services. They are stateless, uses HTTP methods, and support a wide range of clients and servers. However, they can be complex and difficult to implement, and they do not provide automatic documentation or validation. FastAPI is a newer and more modern approach to building web services with Python. It is built on top of Starlight framework and uses modern Python features like type hints and async await. It is designed to be easy to use and provide automatic documentation, validation, and high performance. However, it may not be widely used or compatible with all clients and servers. Finally, let's create a simple fast API. The first step is to install the FastAPI and UVCon using the pip using the following given command. So a basic FastAPI file looks like this. So we have to create a main.py file with the following code. You can see that we create an app instead of FastAPI after importing the library, and we here use the .get method to return a message hello world. We can run this FastAPI using UVCon using the following command. After the successful completion of the uh, file, it will show the following codes. So if you go to the default port of the browser, here it is this address which will make your browser send a request to your application. So it will return a JSON response with the following message. So in the same port, if you go to /docs, you'll see an automatic interactive API documentation provided by the Swagger UI of the Fast API. In conclusion, whether you choose REST APIs or Fast APIs, what's important is to choose a framework that best suits your project needs and goals. Remember to keep scalability, flexibility, and performance in mind. I hope this presentation has given you a better understanding of REST APIs and Fast APIs. Thank you.